fucking one fucking day I don't bring my lunch in the taco truck with the thick ass chick with her big ass booty in here. I'm fucking hella mad. I'm waiting over here like I know it's gonna show up. Like I wonder if they told them don't come through or park somewhere else. Oh, I'm hella mad. What's up with y'all? Happy Friday. Oh damn. Damn, my other coworkers that from the swing shift that I'll be unfortunately going on and pulled up hella early. Fucking waiting for this shit. I'm waiting for it like that shit's gonna come through.